Welcome back to Autowondr. Introducing the all-new 2026 Renault Arkana, the perfect blend of sporty elegance, advanced technology, and hybrid efficiency. Designed to turn heads and engineered for the modern driver, the Arkana delivers a dynamic coupe SUV experience like never before. Get ready to elevate your journey with style, comfort, and innovation. The 2026 Renault Arkana takes bold design to the next level. Its coupe-inspired silhouette, sloping roofline, and sculpted body create a dynamic, athletic stance. The new front grille, sleek LED pure vision headlights, and redesigned C-shaped taillights give it a premium and futuristic appeal. Available in new dual-tone color options and riding on 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, the Arkana commands attention from every angle. Enhanced aerodynamics and a sportier bumper design complete its refined yet aggressive look, making it the ideal SUV for those who want both performance and elegance. The 2026 Renault Arkana is equipped with the latest Renault Easy Drive technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking keep you protected. The 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert make city driving and highway cruising safer than ever. Step inside a cabin built for comfort and innovation. The 2026 Arkana features a 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen with Google-based infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The ergonomic seats with Alcantara upholstery, ambient lighting, and a spacious rear cabin ensure a first-class experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Arkana offers Renault's latest e-tech hybrid system, combining a 1.6L petrol engine with two electric motors, delivering 200 horsepower with enhanced efficiency. The new regenerative braking system boosts fuel economy, making it greener and more responsive than the previous generation. A smooth yet thrilling drive awaits. Starting at $31,500, the 2026 Renault Arkana delivers a perfect mix of coupe-like style, SUV practicality, and hybrid efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long journeys, the Arkana is your ideal companion. Visit your Renault dealership today and experience the future of driving. The 2026 Renault Arkana, where style meets performance and innovation meets adventure. Are you ready to take the wheel?